Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shabeth. Today we're going to be making chicken pasta salad. This is a very quick and easy recipe, so let's get cooking. I'm going to use red or purple onion, tomato and lettuce. I already cleaned and chopped them. I'm also going to use cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like except the bread cheese. This you can chop or you can grate, however you like it. Lemon. For the pasta, you can use any type, but I like these really cute ones that look like a bowl. So this is the one I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'll also be using mayo or salad cream, but for this recipe I'm using mayo. The trick with the mayo is you just need to add a little sugar and milk and mix that up together, and then you get this result. And now for the chicken, I'm using chicken thigh. I don't really like the chicken breast because it's a little dry, so I'm using the chicken thigh. So I just remove the bones and then chop them into small bits. So I'm adding salt, black pepper, nut powder, and then a little bit of olive oil, and then I'll mix that up together and then we'll fry. Now I'm going to cook the pasta. So I'm just going to add salt to the pot of boiling water and then add the pasta and let it cook until it is soft. The pasta is cooked now, so I'm going to pour that in a sieve and then rinse with cold water. To fry the chicken in a hot pan, I'll add a little bit of olive oil and then fry the chicken until you get that golden brown color. That's the color you want. In a bowl, I'm going to add the lettuce, tomato, cheese, and the onion. Now I'm adding the chicken and the pasta. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm just squeezing in the lemon. You can add as much as you want. And finally, the mayo mixture. I'll add this and then mix everything together until it is properly combined. And that's it. It can be served immediately or you can leave it in the fridge for a bit, however you like it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.